Here we have my experiment. I got a DESC210 brushless system. Got it for $240, hoping to save some money. And so far, blown out the motor. Had to put an Arrma motor in there. And now that with an Arrma in this truck, it's now in excess of good associated products. So here's my life lesson. Don't be cheap. Oh, since we're on the subject of cheap, here we are, retreading a tire. Here we go. These are the stock tires, pretty grabby. Did donuts, had a lot of fun with this vehicle, and they were bald. So I took this off of Thunderquake, Nitroquake. Well, basically, see that guy up there? There's a smaller version of it, which had those small tires on it, and that has long since bit the dust, blew the diffs, used up the motor, and so I've got these tires sitting here. Well, look at this. They're about the same diameter. So I cut off the tread and I shoved them on as hard as I could onto these tires. As you can see, they're on here, but how long will they be on here? Let's find out. Here's retreaded tire speed test. Here comes the donut test. Well, let's check it out. Still on there. Hasn't moved at all. Let's trash it now. Oh, here we go, here we go. A little sidewall damage. Wow, I will blame that on the tire. There you go. Let's take a closer look at this. As you can see, it's just hanging, dangling. Retreaded tire. These sidewalls were tearing anyhow. They were that thin, and as you can see, they're completely coming off. Call that a fail. The bigger fail though, let's talk about this. Sports fans, they ripped the entire plastic like clean off. I mean, there's the metal bar. There's the aluminum piece I bought because it had torn through this. So you get this strong enough and then you tear through that. So I went to the auto parts store, hobby store, and I got replacement parts. No, not really. What happened is I put baling wire in here to attach it back to the metal bar that goes down here. We're gonna see how long that lasts. You just thought I was cheap with tires. Man, let's see this. Alright, let's review. Retreading, worn out bald tires. Well, you can see the foam's coming out now. That's just going to get worse and worse. This side, the tread's definitely moving, but the sidewall is still intact. So this side I might try gluing down. Putting baling wire on there, that actually was the better fix of the day. Unintentional, but that's the better fix. Now this one I want to show you. When some people say I got bald tires, that is bald. It's so bald that it like ripped through the rubber, and that's why this side all fell apart, unfortunately. Here's what's left of it. I would say if I'd gotten to it before this had started tearing through the rubber, it might be holding on, and if I'd been able to glue it down with some kind of glue, probably might have worked. Truth be told, this is only good for like backyard bashing. Wouldn't want to have to count on this for anything competitive wise. Well, thanks for watching, and when in doubt, go with quality RC cars. I haven't been disappointed with DESC. I mean, it is what it is. It's a cheap, economical way to go out with a brushless motor and beat the snot out of stuff. Well, I hope you had a great day, and keep RCing.